Hello, once again myself Ashish Jain in agriculture, class 10th, chapter 4. Previous period we have discussed about types of farming and cropping pattern. Today we will discuss what are the major crops of India. It is also mentioned in the NCERT book page number 36, 37 and 38. Okay, and this is the chart also the major crops of India. Now first of all we will study the major crops of India. The main are the rice, wheat, millets, maize and pulse. These are the five main crops of India. First, rice. It is the staple food and majority of Indian people eats this. It is the India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. So second point, it is a kharif crop which require high temperature above 25 degree and high humidity with annual rainfall of 100 centimeter. Rice is grown in Punjab, Haryana, Western UP, part of Rajasthan and MP. Then after comes the wheat. Number 2, the wheat. It is the second important crop of India. It is the main crop in northern and northwest part of India. It's mostly grown in Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, Rajasthan and MP. It requires the annual rainfall of 50 to 75 centimeter. There are the two important wheat growing zones in a country: Ganga Satluj plain in the northwest and black soil region of Deccan. So these are the main regions of wheat production. Third comes the millets. In millets, jowar, bajra and ragi are the important millets grown in India. So these are also grown as coarse grains. They have a very high nutrients value. It is a rainfield crop mostly grown most of the areas with hardly need irrigation. Most major jowar producing states in India are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and MP. Bajra grown on the sandy soil and slowing black region. Mostly it is grown in UP, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana and Karnataka, Tamil Nadu also. Then after comes the fourth point comes the maize. The maize, it is a crop which is used for both as a food and as a folder. It is a kharif crop which requires temperature between 100 to 27 degree. HYV seeds, it helps the fertilization and irrigation. Major maize producing states are Karnataka, UP, Bihar, MP, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana also. Lastly comes the pulse. Pulse. It is India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulse in the world. These are the major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. As India is one of the big vegetarian region, masoor, urd, pulse, these are the some of the main pulse. They are grown mostly in MP, UP, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Maharashtra and other states also. So these were the main crops, major crops of India which we have studied. Rest part we will study in the next point, which are the food crops rather than the food grains. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.